Hey, welcome to Atkins Diet Videos. My name is Kent Altena, and I want to welcome all my old viewers and new viewers to Happy New Year's. And with any New Year's, we often see a bunch of new ketogenic or low-carb followers in which they are trying to start a new lifestyle, a new healthier lifestyle. And I got the question today within my Facebook group, what sort of recipes could help them start this new lifestyle out? And I made one a couple weeks ago, which was a ham lasagna. And this is the second one that really is one of those key core recipes that really should help you start because it's so versatile and really works well with any taste. So today's recipe is going to be a crustless low-carb quiche. I have roughly 1 tablespoon of olive oil heating up in this pan. To this, I'm going to add 1 green pepper and 1 red pepper, as well as 1 white onion. We're going to let this heat up until they get softened and a little browned. So we'll let this keep going. So come along with me as we make up the filling of the quiche. All right, so within my bowl, I'm going to add 6 eggs. All right, we're going to give these eggs a quick little beat just to break up the yolks. To this, we're going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And we're going to beat it a little bit more. We're going to add half a teaspoon of black pepper as well as a half a teaspoon of salt. One final beat. All right, so we're going to pick back up when the vegetables are softened and we're going to heat up the meat to go with it. All right, so the vegetables are sufficiently softened at this point. We don't want them fully cooked because we have to heat up the chicken at the same time. Now, like I said, this is just a rotisserie chicken that came directly from Target, probably close to 1.5 pounds of chicken that I shredded. We're going to mix this through each other, and we're just trying to get everything warm as well. So we're going to let this cook for maybe about 3 to 4 minutes. I have my oven preheating to 375 at this point. Okay, so the chicken's warmed up. Let's go ahead and put it within the 9x13 well-greased pan. Spread it out. We're going to add 8 ounces of shredded cheese on top. Now this is just a mixture of cheddar and some Havarti that I had. Give it a quick stir and then pour the egg cream mixture over top. Spread it out as much as possible. Alright, so we're going to put it in that 375 degree oven for roughly about 40 to 45 minutes and take it out when the top is golden brown. I hope this reaches everyone in great health. If you appreciate these new core sort of recipes to a low-carb ketogenic lifestyle, make sure you subscribe below. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye.